Hello everyone, my name is James Manuel Latayan and today I will show you my fit for my presentation of Cardo Dalisay from Ang Provinciano. Now I'm going to show you the pants I'll be using. This is the pants I'll be using. And for my inner shirt, I'll use a polo. And to top it all off, I'll be using a bomber jacket.